Okay, welcome back. This is Dr. Blumenthal from Natural Transplants, and we are so thrilled. We got Melissa back with us. You may remember Melissa from a year ago. We did a video about a year ago here in the Maryland office. It's hard to recognize you because you do not look the same. It's first of all your edges are filled in, and it's a lot longer. Congratulations, you look incredible.
Thank you.
Tell us how the year went. How'd it go?
Oh my God, amazing. I'm telling you, it really changed, I think, my self-esteem.
Yeah.
How I, view myself, gave me a lot more confidence. Happier person. I think for a long time I was unhappy because of my hair. It was just so much insecurities.
Yeah.
Any little bit of wind or,
Yep, you don't have to hide from the wind anymore, you were saying? Yeah.
Now the wind blows,
you're working it, yeah.
Exactly.
That's great.
So, very happy.
That's fantastic. That's so nice. And we talked about you do have braids in. However, you're doing it yourself, and you're not being, hard. They're not tight. They're not super tight. So,
I do braids. Nobody else touches this hair.
You better watch it. I will find you if it's too tight. All right.
Definitely.
Well, do me a favor. So what we'll do is we'll put up the before pictures as well too. But just kind of put your head down and hold that for like 2 or 3 seconds. Awesome. And then pick a side, either right or left, and then hold that for 2 or 3 seconds. Wonderful. Oh my God. And then other way. And move the camera a little bit towards your nose so you can kind of see the back of your head. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Oh, and then wait, look. Keep coming around. There you go. Hold that right there. Good. All right. Very nice. Very good. And actually for the procedure itself, we were not able to fill the whole gap in. There was a little strip in the back that we couldn't get to on both sides, but honestly, you can't even really tell. I mean, you do a good job of hiding it, and your hair is nice and curly. It fills it in.
No matter how I do my hair, even if I wear my hair out natural, it's easy to cover because I actually have the hair in the front.
Right.
So I kind of use the hair I have in the front, and plus the rest kind of, mask out a little area that wasn't able to get done.
Exactly. And some patients may want to come back and fill that gap in. Other patients like yourself are happy with it. They don't need a second one. So that's up to you. And it looks, oh my God, you have transformed. I'm so happy with it. And no problems with the scar in the back. You said everything was okay. No issues
actually,
there.
You can't even see the scar. I don't even know where it was.
Good.
It was somewhere back here. No.
Good. That's fantastic. Awesome.
That.
Well, Melissa, I am so pleased. Any words of recommendation, words of advice for anybody that's kind of thinking about doing it?
Let me tell you, I tell my family members and anyone who has this problem with the traction alopecia or alopecia in general, feel your confidence level is just not there, do it.
Yeah.
But don't even think about it. It is such a confidence booster. For us, our hair means a lot to us.
Yeah.
Just do it. Just get it done. The procedure was, other than just the numbing.
The shots, yep.
The procedure was
good.
It was great.
Yeah.
You guys were wonderful. The staff was wonderful. Do not hesitate. I tell you, do not hesitate. Do it.
Bless
do
you.
It.
Oh, I'm so thrilled for you. It makes my day seeing you smile. It looks great. Melissa, take care. Send us Christmas cards and from all around the world when you're traveling. We love catching up with you. But this will be the last time that we check in with you. But feel free to check with us anytime. And thank you for doing the videos. Hopefully this inspires other people and it looks fantastic.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's take care. Bye bye.
All right, you too.